Hey, what is up, Jeff fam? And we are back here another day on the Mustang build. And guys, we are gonna start building the whole front side. So we are gonna start off by removing both of the fenders, and we're gonna take off this bumper, guys. But follow me, we have to come and first take off these wheel welds so we can get to all the bolts that are back here for the bumper and for the fender too, because it has one right over here inside. That's the hardest one to get to if you don't take off these wheel welds. But let's get started, guys. All right, Jeff fam, we had to take out the wheel because it was really hard to get into this wheel well with the wheel being in the way. So we just decided to take it off to make it easier on us. All right, guys, we're just missing this last one and we're gonna be able to take it out. But it looks of it, though, it doesn't want to come out. I'm gonna have to yank it out black. Oh, it broke. Well, and there's another one right here. This is the one that I was talking about for the tire. It's really hard. It has two more of them right here. I already took them out. And here comes the back side of it, and here comes the front side of it. These look pretty reusable still. But what do you think about that, Black?
Yeah, I think they're pretty good. They're not broken. I mean, this is a little rubber dub, but it's whatever.
Alright, guys, now I'm gonna put the wheel back on, guys, because I am gonna drop the car back so we can start removing the bumper. I just took off the wheel just so we could take off the wheel cover because it was really getting in our way. I couldn't even put my hand back there because how the crash is like this fender decided to get more smaller on us, so I could not put my hand in between the tire to get to the screws I had to get to, guys. So, but yeah, we're gonna put the tire back on, drop it, and we're gonna get to removing the bumper, and then we'll get to the fender. To remove the fender, guys, you guys do have to remove this little side skirt. This little side skirt does have these tabs in them, these black tabs on the bottom. So you do have to go through the bottom and take them all out before you remove that, or else you are gonna break these off and you won't be able to put the skirt back on. To the other side, hold, but first let's take off this one. It just clicks off like that, guys. It has a little clip right here that you just pop off. If you don't have these little clips, you're gonna have to go replace all of this plastic part just for that little clip, which did happen on this side right here, guys. Look, it has no little clip to hang on to, so we're gonna have to go replace all of this plastic. All right, Jeff fam, same thing with this tire over here. You want to take this off. You're gonna take off the tire so we could get to the wheel welds. What are no wheel covers, right? What is this called? The wheel welds, right?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, we're gonna take these off too from this side, guys, and it's the same thing, same process. Take off the tire so you can get to the bolts that are in the back. They're not bolts; they're those little attachment things. As soon as we get that done, we're gonna take off, well, we need to take off the bolts from this bumper so we could come completely off. As you guys saw, we already took off the top ones and the ones from the other side, so we just need this side. So let's get that done. We're gonna have to learn and get something to pry that out. All right, guys, well, to be honest, I took off all the bolts and the screws that we had to take off for the bumper. It's not coming out. We're having a hard time pulling it out because this right here with the frame, look how the bumper is attached to the frame, and we're having a lot of trouble with pulling it out. And then the way that it is under the light, guys, right here. So all of this needs to come out, and you just have to yank it out. We already took off all the bolts. All you need to do is just yank it out a little bit so we can disconnect the lights. The ones from right here from the bumper. But good thing these ones don't even have them anymore. They fell off. So we just need to pull it out, guys. The thing is that how this is stuck, it's really hard to pull out, and I do not want to get my fingers caught in between this plastic and the frame because... All right, Jeff fam, so we decided to use this pata de chiva, and we're gonna, I have no idea what it's called in English, but in Spanish this is what,
maybe?
Maybe. But we're gonna try to do this and just pry it up. Hopefully that works. There we go. Now it's still stuck over here on this side. All right, guys. There you see how that thing let go? Just come over here. The light fell. We didn't even know we had that light, Jet fam. We did not know we had that light. We thought it was gone. We didn't see it, but I guess it was just right here inside the bumper. Here goes the rest of the bumper, guys. And this is the frame damage that we have, so you guys can see. It doesn't look too bad. Maybe it looks like it's a little bit this way. We just need to push this back over here and go get this reinforcement bar. Probably go to a junkyard or something like that to pick this up. The good thing is that it is bolted on here. It's not welded. I'm gonna take this off too, guys.
Nah, it still looks like it's useful.
Oh, this does have clips, I think. Or not.
Oh.
I think it was just glued on there, bro.
No, it's just like the focus now.
It's glued on there, huh? Or not.
No, it's just like the focus now.
They had these things, guys, but I did not see them. Oh well, we're gonna have to go get new ones then. But yeah, we are gonna have to buy this brand new. Or not brand new, we'll probably go to the junkyard and take it off of another car there. But so far, this is what we needed to get out of the way, the bumper, to see the frame damage, to see how far is the frame damage. Next step, guys, are the two fenders. Let's get it going. All right, guys, well, I'm having trouble taking off this light, guys, but I'm gonna take it off right now in a bit. We just wanted to show you guys that we thought we were saved on the lights, and just by looking more forward into it and by taking off the bumper, taking off the light, we realized this light is not savable, it's not reusable. We're gonna have to get another light. Hopefully it's not the same thing over there on the left side, but we're gonna get to it right now. We're just gonna take this one off right now and we'll see what's going on with that one. Here you go, back. Cut the screw. All right, guys, well, we are just taking this one off. And there we go. And by the looks of it, we did get saved on this side, on the left side, guys. Nothing whatsoever wrong with it. We're pretty comfortable. I'm pretty comfortable with it. I haven't asked Black. What do you think, Black? Looks good?
Well, it looks way better than the other one, but if we could find the same exact, is that a stock light?
I think it is a stock
It's a
light.
little broken right here.
Oh, it is. I didn't even see that part.
Do you think there's water going into it, or is that
Yeah,
the way it's
there's-
facing down?
This is the way it's facing down.
I mean, we do have to get one.
What we could do here is just probably like tape it off.
Tape it off. Yeah. If we find the same ones for cheap, then we'll get the same ones. But what if we find some better ones for? We'll
Oh
see
yeah,
right now.
we could do maybe do like a little modify on the lights, but I think these lights, I think this is how they come, because these cars were made to do a replica on the old back then Mustangs.
Then we'll get the same light.
Yeah, so I think we have to get the same light so it could keep that same old vintage look.
Same vibe.
Yeah. All right, guys, I think that's enough to get to these bolts right here. Look, these are the bolts I'm talking about, guys. If you guys don't take this skirt off, you guys are not gonna be able to get to these bolts, and you guys are gonna have the hardest time of your life, and you guys are gonna get mad, and then you guys are not gonna want to do this. Good thing I went and did some reviews on it, and I found that out, because I'm those type of persons that if I cannot find the screw, I would have just yanked this out. All right, Jet fam, so upon further inspection, I was looking at this right here. I don't know if you guys can kind of see this. This clip belongs from the light, and this was the broken light. So I imagine that if this was still on here and I didn't take it off, because I didn't have to take it off on the other side either, I just thought like maybe that clip is on there too. And we went to go check the other side, and yes, guys, it is, the clip is still on there, so the other light is broken as well. We're gonna have to get two brand new lights, guys. That's what it is. That's what it comes down to sometimes. You don't even notice it until you're just re-looking and you're like, oh, what the heck, why is this clip still here? And bam, there you go. You notice why the other light is broken from the little corner. It's missing the clip. Have to put it into the inside. That's why I took off the wheel well, fool, but I forgot. You see, guys, I took off the wheel well and I literally forgot about that screw. And I took off the wheel well, guys. Don't forget about that screw. Let me see that. Perfect example. Oh, and that's where that thing goes. It goes pegado a esto, güey.
You gotta toss it that way.
Doesn't have a little screw on this side? Oh, it does. It has it on that side, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Está fondo.
There we go. Alright guys. So now we do have the antenna here. So we do have to take off the antenna. It does have little screws. Oh, I don't think you can see. Here you go guys. I'll give you guys the light back. So this antenna guys, it does have little screws, as if you could probably see under there or something. It has little screws. We do have to take off this little tap. This little tap and get to the screws. I think there's 2 of them right here, or 3. But let's check it out. There we go. Check that out. Do we have these tools? Yes, we do, huh, Black? They came in the German kit or what?
Oh, I think it's that little red strip that's right on the floor.
Oh, is that the one from the Volkswagen there?
I bet you won't be missing. The one that we're missing is the one.
Bingo. Say that again, Black. Say that again.
No, we're missing that.
I think we're gonna take it from the bottom, way. Alright, Jeff fam. Well, we did end up removing the fender. Guys, to be honest, we did take off the antenna and we did use the bolts. We did take off the bolts, but there was no way of taking out the actual wire from the antenna so it could come out of here, out of this hole. So what we ended up doing, we just cut the wire. Guess what? We're gonna rewire, guys. We're gonna rewire the antenna back up. That's no problem. But we did take this off. You just have to repeat the process on the other fender. It did get late on us tonight, guys. We will catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. We're gonna straighten out the frame and try to take this off. And we're probably gonna go to the junkyards if we have time, guys. But for tonight, that is completely it. No.